Hello, Bio 130 students, and oh boy, this will be the video for some diseases that affect the integumentary system. So, things that affect the skin. And well, going away from this kiwi that has the internal structure of a kiwi, we are going to talk about, say, some very simple diseases that may or may not really be terrible and are definitely very common, but just you can think of them as abnormalities of the skin of the integument. One of which can be skin tags, or basically pockets of skin that pinch and cling together. Typically, you'll see those where skin rubs against itself a lot, like in the armpits or around the arms and legs. There's also warts, hard, not hard pumps, but hard bumps that form due to infections from the human papillomavirus, HPV. This is actually a virus that can be spread person to person through simple skin contact. So be careful. Pseudofolliculitis barbae is essentially an inflammatory response to shaving. So again, not really severe, but say you're shaving and you are effectively cutting up your skin to help cut the beard hair or whatever hair you are actually removing on the legs or otherwise. Your body's going to have an immune response because there is damage. And well, pseudofolliculitis barbae, it's basically just sometimes hair can be trapped under the skin as the skin is healing, resulting in breakouts and occasional bacterial infection. There's also keratosis pilaris, an inheritable disease that makes the skin prone to being clogged with keratin from those keratinocytes in the epidermis. And well, if your pores become blocked, especially with keratin, which is rather hard, these can result in very sharp, or not sharp, very pointed, hard, firm pimples from forming. Some more serious diseases, one of which is psoriasis. Basically, the life cycle of skin cells is sped up, and the extra cells have formed hard red patches of skin that itch and hurt. Psoriasis, it's putting your skin cell life cycle on overdrive. So you're just constantly reproducing more and more skin cells, which the excess number of skin, it can just feel abnormal, itchy, and in some cases it can really hurt. There is Morgellons disease, which is a rare condition where fibers emerge from skin sores. So damage in the skin fibers will actually pop out, and it's very creepy condition of the integumentary system, because Morgellons disease, with those fibers coming out, it gives the sensation of things crawling on the skin and sometimes under the skin. But you become more susceptible to this when you have certain mental illnesses and depression. Basically, you might notice it more. You think that certain things are crawling under your skin, when in reality it's really just normal, healthy skin fiber. Now, there is also elastoderma, which is excessive laxity or stretchiness of the skin. And this basically causes your skin to fall and sag down into loose folds. There is no clear cause due to how rare this particular condition is. But one suggested theory is that it may be a result of an overproduction of elastin protein. So instead of having an appropriate balance of firm collagen and elastic elastin, maybe the skin has a large quantity or a larger ratio of elastin to collagen, therefore causing it to be more stretchy. And more or less, it's not really bad to have this. It's just more of an inconvenience of just having skin that is just flopping in the wind, literally. And that's really all the diseases we're going to get into for the integumentary system. There are certainly more, and I look forward to reading about what you guys are aware of, or if you have any you are interested in. And well, that concluding that, here is an example of elastoderma in dogs. Boom. See? Not really bad to have this. It is kind of funny that it kind of covers the dog size. So, well, oh well. They're cute and valid puppers nonetheless. So, that concludes this very short video on a small subset of diseases, common and severe, for the integumentary system. As always, it is a pleasure to have you guys in this online format in this very fascinating semester. And that concludes our video around the 7.5 minute mark. Bye bye. See you in the next one.